Hi everyone, so today's look is on this classic Valentine's Day look. I have moisturized my face, so I'm going with the ordinary high adherence silicone primer first, and I'm using this and applying it all over my face. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus matte primer and just on my T-zone where I get a bit oily. I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in Y445, and I'm using a flat foundation brush to buff it into the skin. I'm using my damp beauty sponge to press the foundation into the skin so it has a more seamless look. For concealers, I'm using the Colourpop concealer in medium dark 30 and Revlon Colorstay concealer in deep number 6. Using my beauty sponge, I'm just pressing it into the skin. I'm using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier to set the under eyes. Rimmel Stay Matte powder in caramel for the rest of the face. Bronzer, I'm using Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sun Kiss number 26. For blush, I'm using the Kiko Cosmetics Essential Face Palette, and I'm using number 3. For the eye look, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette, and I'm first going in with a lighter brown shade in the crease. Using the darker brown shade from the palette to smoke out the outer corner. Using a medium brown from the same palette to just blend the two colors. Again, going with the first light brown color shade, and then again with the darkest brown. I'm gonna wet a flat brush and use the bronze highlight shade from the BH palette, and I'm using that on my eyelid. For someone who's looking for a bit more subtle look, you can go for a matte light shade as well. Using the medium brown shade from the BH palette to smoke out the lower lash line as well. I'm back with the other eye done, and I'm now going to highlight my inner corner with the gold highlighter shade from the BH palette and my brow bone. For highlighter, I'm using the Sephora collection face shimmering powder in Delicate Glow. To set my face, I'm using MAC Fix Plus in Pink Lite. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. Since I'm not using lashes for this look, I'm going with 2 layers of mascara. That is if you want to do it. If you got mascara on your skin or on your eyelid, just let it completely dry and then you can just scratch it off. But if you try to do it while it's still wet, it will only smudge everywhere. So just wait till it's completely dry. For lipstick, I'm gonna use Pretty by Flormar. It was supposed to be a matte liquid lipstick, but it never turned out to be matte. It never dried down. So if you are looking for a matte lipstick, I would not go with this. It was my first time trying it out, so I didn't know. I was hoping it was going to be matte, but it wasn't. The color is really nice, but I wish it was a bit more matte. This is the final look. Hope you guys liked it and see you again next time. Bye.